In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show the reading pane in Outlook. If you want more space to focus on your email list, or if you prefer to preview messages without opening them, adjusting the reading pane is a quick setting that can make Outlook much easier to use. The reading pane is the area where an email opens for preview when you click on it, and depending on how you work, you may want it hidden completely or displayed in a different position. To get started in the Outlook desktop app, go to the View tab at the top of the window. This section contains display and layout options that control how your mailbox looks. Once you're in the View menu, find the Reading Pane option. Click on it, and you'll see a few choices: off, right, and bottom. If you choose off, the reading pane will be hidden completely. This means you'll only see the list of messages in your inbox or folder without a preview of the selected email. This can be useful if you want a cleaner layout, more room for your message list, or if you prefer to open emails only when you're ready to read them. If you choose right, the reading pane will appear on the right side of the screen. This is a common layout and works well on wider monitors since it lets you keep your message list visible while also reading the contents of the selected email. If you choose bottom, the reading pane will move below the message list. This can be a better option if you prefer a more horizontal layout or if your screen shape makes the right side pane feel too narrow. If you're using Outlook on the web instead of the desktop app, the process is a little different but still very simple. Open Settings, then go to Mail, then Layout, and look for the Reading Pane option. From there, you can choose how you want it displayed depending on your preference. This is one of those small Outlook settings that can have a big impact on comfort and productivity. If your screen feels crowded, turning the pane off may help. If you want to scan through emails quickly, keeping it visible on the right or bottom can save time. That's all there is to it. You can switch between these options anytime, so feel free to try each layout and use the one that feels best for your workflow.